And welcome to this video. In this video we'll continue our work here to define our cluster interfaces. So here we double click this interface. Here the network type is a cluster and the IP address is 10.1.1.1 and the mask is 24, and here we need to, so this should be this network, a network defined by the interface, and we perform anti-spoofing for now. And we should be able to change this later, add some networks here to prevent anti-spoofing applying everywhere, or we can continue without anti-spoofing for now and activate it later. So now this interface is ready. Okay, here. And we take the next one. This should be 11.1. So again, cluster, and here is 24. Modify here, override like this, and click OK. Okay. I will explain what is the goal with anti-spoofing inside the course. So let's only configure the interfaces. Okay, here. This is a cluster and the IP address is 10.1. As I explained before, always the interface of the cluster is 1, the first gateway is 2, the second gateway is 3. So okay, here. This is the external cluster 1 and 24, and here we can select this is external, and we can perform here. It should be performed here. Okay. I forgot to mention that we can add some comments here. For example, this is management interface. So okay, you can see it there. This is the internal, so we can take internal. Okay, this is the sync network. So sync like this. This is external. So this is external. Okay. This one is the cluster. Should be 12.1 here and 24. This is internal, so override. Click OK for now. And cluster. This is the Wi-Fi interface that we will not use, but we should configure it. Okay. So we can type Wi-Fi here. And this is the DMZ network. So DMZ here. Okay, and now we click OK here. Yes. And now we should publish our changes and try to install these changes. So now we publish and then install our policy. So now we have published our policy, and now we click in install policy to install it on our new gateways. So we can choose that. We don't need the threat prevention because we don't use the blade yet. So install, publish again, and we can click on details to see progress of the policy installation. Okay, this is happening because we did not designate an interface as a sync interface. So we can click close here, back to the cluster, interfaces, so network management. And this interface should not be a cluster, but a sync interface. So click OK here, OK again, and now we try to install the policy again. So now we click install again and try to here we'll wait until the installation is complete, and then we need to start adding some rules to our policy, and that we do in the next video. So we wait until this policy installation is done. So if we look here, we can see that we have no rules here, only the any drop. So in the next video we will start building our policy rule according to the file that we use. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.